How it is going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Let's Play Pokemon White. In the last episode of Let's Play Pokemon White, we came to the Elite Four through the Victory Road and off-screen granted everybody up to 50 with the rare candies which I cheated. See, I grinded really hard in the real one, so you can't blame me. So let's go to our destination for the first Pokemon we are going to catch in this trio. Driftwell City. Okay guys, I thought Asami Flash and brought back Simon to use Surf. So let's go using Max Yapping Repair. Let's reach the first place in our final destination. I think I skipped a lot of trainers because I wanna complete this part so yapping hard that I skipped so yapping many trainers. And let's go for Flash. Oh, let's see. Do you know that Stuffle's I think Spanish name is Volorse? Bold yapping door. Let's go for another max repel. The moment the repel effect wore off, Pokemon showed up, so yeah. Where is the trial chamber? Trial effing chamber? Message, stupid messages. Yes, there it is. Guardian's chamber, not the trial chamber. Yeah. I'm gonna save the game and I'll see you guys when I save the game. Save the game and let's talk to Cobalion. Cobalion appeared and I had Roar and friend and I have Big Break. Let's go for that. Don't care it. Yes. Don't turn on. Yes. Dragonlance. In case if you guys are wondering why I'm going for Dragonlance. Retaliate. Okay. False Swipe. I forgot to use Quick Ball. Yuff me. Secret Sword. False Swipe. Okay. Ron Painter. Use next Pokemon. Bring out Asami. And let's check some balls. I'll go for some Dusk Balls. I almost thought I caught it. I'm gonna use one more ball and after that I'll cut off to the part where I catch this thing. I'll see you guys when I catch this thing. Guys, I am tempted to use that Master Ball because I used so many balls on my first try on this thing. But I'm not gonna use it just yet. I got it in Dusk Ball. I forgot. Cobalion, the Iron Will Pokemon. Height 6'7". This Pokemon, okay, I forgot to read its Dex entry, but okay, maybe okay. I'll read its Dex entry now. Cobalion, the Iron Will Pokemon. Steel Fighting type. Height 6'11". Okay. I already know these things. Dex entry. Weight 551.2 pounds. It has a body and a heart of steel. Its glare is sufficient to make even an unruly Pokemon obey it. Okay. Okay guys. I'm at Nacreen City now. You know probably why. Yeah. And I skipped a lot of trainers here too. So have to be. Where is the max repel? Yes, I might have to be careful because I skipped a lot of trainers while I'm trying to get. Why did I even? You know what? Never mind. the rumination field. I'm gonna save the game. Okay guys, I saved the game and let's battle Virizion. Previously my favorite was of the Source of Justice, but now second favorite. But don't worry, still like Terrakion. It went for an attacking move. Sacred Road, don't kill me, yes. Also do at least half, yes. GG Drain, it has GG Drain. Why did I forget about football? Again. Also I caught Zekrom in my first try. Why did I wait for the squall? Wow, we caught it in first try. Zekrom in the uncasual place. Virizion, the grassland Pokemon, grass fighting type. Height 6'7". It's shorter than Cobalion. I thought they are all the same height and weight. Weight 440.9 pounds. Okay, lighter than Cobalion. It's kinda expected, but it's still type. But yeah, it had sprouts, horn, and sharp as blades. Use Wolverine like movements. Its compounds and swiftly cuts opponent. Okay, I'll see you guys in the next place. How fitting is that the final Pokemon we're going to catch is in the Victory Road, but in the lower portions. I think I still have strength. I forgot and doesn't box Daxcadre. Because of that I have to reset for that Cobalion. But I should have brought my Cupidon for that battle. I believe for the first battle where I recorded, I think I boxed Excadrill because of Rock Helmet, and we're Trial Chamber. I'm gonna save the game. Okay guys, I saved the game and let's battle it. Terrakion. Dragon Claw. You don't cave it? Yes? I think Falsewood won't cave it. Yeah, it's like on 1 HP. I always forgot to use quick balls, man. So yeah, few should have gone for a quick ball. I thought I would caught it. So I'm gonna try 2 more balls, and yeah, I'll see you guys. Okay. But Lynn has Rocky Helmet. This is the ball. I'll see you guys when I catch it now. Okay. Also, Flash really helped the first time where I caught these things when my footage was wasn't deleted. My brother Flash really helped on Asami, but I taught it strength now. So here's the next Pokemon. I wish I kept Flash on Asami though. Haha, I have 6 coils up, you cannot do a thing. Yes! I'm watching Mr. Dingdongums and Terrakion, the K1 Pokemon, rock fighting type, height 6'3". What? This thing is the shortest? Weight 573.2 pounds. So Cobalion is the tallest, Virizion is the lightest, and Terrakion is the shortest. Its charge is strong to enough break through a giant castle of wall in one blow. This Pokemon is spoken in legends. No, not nickname for you because I'm not going to use it in my team. Okay. And that was the episode, guys. I'll see you guys in the next episode of Let's Play Pokemon White. Peace.